The HOWO 371 6x4 dump truck is a popular model exported to Africa. Equipped with a 371 horsepower engine, it boasts strong power and a rated payload of 30 tons, making it suitable for transporting large quantities of goods. The entire vehicle has undergone standardized remanufacturing and features a brand new hydraulic system for smooth and flexible operation. The high-strength new cargo box is robust and durable. All core chassis components have been replaced. The new interior offers a comfortable ride, comprehensive functionality, and long-term peace of mind. Overseas sourcing and bulk export are welcome. Please contact us privately for cooperation.